Welcome to part 2 of the AIF compliances video. Event-based compliances. I'm highlighting major compliances over here. For example, change in KMP, that is key managerial personnel. Here, the meaning of KMP is like that the key investment team of the investment manager or the person who is described as KMP in the PPM, that is private placement memorandum, or any other person who has been declared as an KMP, or the person who is having power of decision making in the AIF can be considered as a KMP. In case of there is any change in the KMP, it should be intimated to the SEBI as well as the investors. Next, one very important point: in case if the compliance officer finds or observes any non-compliances, then by that AIF, then the compliance officer has to inform to the SEBI independently within a period of 7 days. So this is maximum period from the occurrence or say observation of that non-compliances, and the timeline is immediately or within a period of maximum 7 days. Okay. Then any inquiries or say legal action by the regulatory bodies, then this has to be disclosed immediately. Then any breach in the provisions of the PPM, that is private placement memorandum, then any material liability arising due to some non-compliances or any other reason, then in case of change in sponsor or say investment manager, in all such cases these are the event based compliances. Again, I'm telling you that I'm repeating that I have highlighted the major event based compliances. Okay. So for the gift city perspective, in the IFSC guidelines, particularly for the AIF, it is mentioned that SEBI AIF regulations and circulars issued by the SEBI for the AIF and the IFSC guidelines and IFSC circulars relating to AIF will be applicable to the AIF which are incorporated or say AIF established in the gift city Gandhinagar. Okay. So the same provisions or the same compliances will be applicable which are applicable to the other AIFs within the India. Now, then codes and policies which AIF is required to be followed. For KYC policy, know your customer policy, AML policy, anti-money laundering policy, combating financing of terrorism, that is CFT policy, then conflict management policy, risk management policy, insider trading policy, liquidation management policy, etc., and other internal policies as maintained by the and managed by the AIF. So again here I have highlighted the major policies. There may be the additional policies. Then AIF with foreign investment. In case generally all the AIF are having foreign investment, so it is applicable to the AIF which are having the foreign investment. So here form INVI, this is the form for the RBI, INVI, that is investment vehicle. So Indian company issues units to the foreign investor. In such case, this form has to be filed as an investment vehicle by the Indian company, that is AIF. The timeline is within 30 days from the allotment of the units to the foreign investor. Then next, form DI. This is DI, that means downstream investment. I have prepared a separate video on this downstream investment. I have mentioned the link in the description box, so you can check from there. Form DI on FIFP portal, the timeline is within 30 days from the receipt of money, and on the forms portal the timeline is within 30 days from the allotment of the securities. Okay. Now FLA return, this goes to annually. The company which have foreign direct investment, this has to be filed FLA return on annual basis. The due date is 15 July and it is filed in the Excel format as prescribed by the RBI. This is annual return for foreign asset and liabilities. Okay. Lastly, the act or regulation reference I am not mentioning here because it will increase the length of the video. So I have mentioned the act and regulation reference in the description box, so you can check from there. If you still have any query regarding this topic or any other topic, you can simply write in the comment box. And if you find that I have missed any important point which I should cover in this video, you can also highlight in the comment box. Stay connected for more videos. Bye.